Hi all, we are talk about what is internet and what is cloud computing. Internet. We know the internet and we use the internet. But what is the exact definition for internet? The word internet comes from the combination between interconnection and network. It's just a cable wire. The internet is the biggest worldwide communication network of computers. If you look at a map of big cities, smaller towns and houses, each is connected with roads. Similarly, the internet is used to connect multiple computers through the wires. How does the internet work? The protocol used by the internet is the transmission control protocol or internet protocol. Every computer and networks on internet uses the same protocols to exchange the data with any type of computer. Router helps you connect multiple devices to the internet and connect the devices to each other. Most of the computers don't connect directly into the internet. Instead, they connect a smaller network that is connected to the internet backbone. IP addresses. Each computer has an unique numeric identifier. It's a machine-readable code. It has 4 parts, each part of a number between 0 to 255. DNS addresses. Domain name system. It translates the IP addresses to human-readable domain names. If you search at Google, we are use the domain names because the IP addresses are memorizable, not for all. If you search at Google with an domain names, the domain name pick the correct IP address from the server and it shows the website from our monitor. Email is the most popular reason people use the internet. To create, send and receive email messages, you need an email account and internet mail server with a domain name. It's a client's computer. Client send a mail to a client's mail receiver. The client mail receiver connected through an internet. Internet have multiple routers. It follows the SMTP protocol. It's a simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP server communicates with the domain name server to find the corresponding IP address. Once the IP address has been found, the SMTP server connects the receiver mail server and the mail is delivered. For example, the client sent to a receiver for an image. The image are broken into packets and travel along the multiple networks before being reassembled and reach their destination. Applications. We know the applications of internet. In COVID-19 pandemic situations, we use the internet for jobs and education, chatting, news, online payment, music, and so on. And then what is cloud? The cloud is a metaphor for the internet. How does the name came from cloud? The cloud name comes from a cloud-like shape that was used to internet in a computer network diagram. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. Why we use cloud? We can access the applications and data from any location worldwide and from any device with an internet connection. Why we use cloud now? Because before we store a lot of information, we should allocate a huge space for server. And experts are required to maintain a server. But nowadays, we have no space for servers and no experts are no needed. What are the different types of cloud deployments? Deployment defines the type of access of the cloud. It has 4 types. Public cloud. It allows systems and services to be easily accessible to the general public. Example, email. Private cloud. It offers increased security because of its private nature. It accessed by organization. Community. It allows the system and access by a group of organization. Hybrid. It's a mixture of private and public cloud. Service models. It have three basic types of service models: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Software as a service is the distribution model in which a third party provider applications. It allows to use the software applications as a service to the end users. Here the end users are the clients. Platform as a service, it provides the complete life cycle of building and delivering web applications and services from the internet. Infrastructure as a service. Organizations use their own platforms and applications within a service provider's infrastructure. Cloud has many advantages and some disadvantages. Advantages are lower computer cost, unlimited storage capacity, improved performance. Disadvantages: requires a constant internet connection, does not work well, low speed connections. Thank you.